channel. Happy Canada Day. Even though this video is going up after Canada Day, still happy Canada Day. Anyways, this video is going to be a Canada Day special. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for Canada Day, and we are going to be doing some really fun things to celebrate Canada Day. So I'm going to be vlogging that. But without any further ado, let's jump straight into the get ready with me. Okay guys, so for my Canada Day outfit, I have this top that says Canadian girls rule the future. Wait. Canadian girls are the future, and it is red, and then I'm just wearing these jean shorts, and then I tied it at the back because it was a little bit too long to wear shorts. And yeah, so I also have a headband that you guys are going to see that I'm going to be wearing with like little white ears, but I'm going to throw that on, I'm going to put that on later. So here is my Canada Day outfit, really cute. And yeah. Okay guys, so of course I have to do some makeup, so I'm gonna do my eyelids, some lipstick, and some highlight. So let's start with my eyelids, or eyeshadow, yeah. Okay guys, so I was thinking of doing red and white, but the closest color that I have to red is this color right there, where my finger is. But I do have white, which is good. So that's the closest color that I have to red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put red on my lower eyelids, and then I'm going to put white like up here. And yeah, so I was thinking of doing a pattern, but I tried it and that didn't work out. So anyways, let's get started with my eyeshadow. So I am done with the pink, and now I have to do the white. So this is more of like a creamy white, but it'll work. Okay, you guys can kind of see it there. Yeah, so yeah, it's more of a creamy white, but we're just gonna go ahead and do that. So like I said, I'm gonna do it on the very top of my eyelids. I'm just gonna blend it out with this really big brush and just get like the excess, how do you say it? The excess eyeshadow off, and it's just gonna blend it all in. Dusting everything off, and here it is. So the camera kind of shows the white on top, but you can't really see it on camera. But okay guys, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of a pinker kind of color and just put it like at the very edge of my eyes, I guess. So we're just gonna take this pink and we're just gonna put a little bit in. Okay guys, so our eyeshadow is done. Now we're going to go in with the highlight. So we're going to be using a bronzer. Actually, let me open this up. This is the bronzer that we're going to be using, but it can be used as a highlight as well, obviously. So we're going to go ahead and take this brush right here. So yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and highlight our face. Now I actually think I should use this bigger brush for the highlight. Ooh, look at that highlight. You guys see that? Okay, we're just gonna do a little bit more highlight. and then we will be done. It looks a lot shinier in person. But anyways, so yeah, our highlight is done. Now we're going to do some lipstick. So I think I'm just gonna go in with a pink lipstick. There's one, oh here it is, that looks a lot red. Here it is, but I don't think this color would go good with our eyeshadow. I just think it would clash. So we're just gonna go with a pink. This is pink. So we're just gonna use some pink. I really want to use that red because on my lips it looks like red, but I just think it'll clash with our eyeshadow. So we're just gonna go in with a pink. So let's go in, oh, so I'm using this Clinique lip set. So I think let's use this one. So this is pretty pink, and yeah, so let's start with our lips. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. For some reason my eyes look different, not my eyelids, but just my eyes in general. I don't know why. It's just on camera, but then when I look in the mirror, it looks exactly the same. I'm not sure why it looks like that on camera. But anyways, my makeup is done. So now enjoy this little montage of my makeup. So yeah, it is a very natural makeup look. And yeah, I really like it. Very cute. But anyways, next on the list for my get ready with me is nails. So as you can see, I don't have any nail polish on right now. So I'm going to be doing some red and white nail polish. And yeah, so let's get started with the nails. Okay guys, so for my nail polish, I'm going to be using this nail polish from Claire's, and it has red and white sparkles in it. This was for Canada Day. I got it a couple days before Canada Day last year. So this is definitely for Canada Day, and so I'm just going to be using this, and I tried it on my thumb just to see what it looks like, and I like it. And yeah, so I just wanted something that's easy to take off because for my auditions and stuff I can't wear nail polish, so I'm just going to put on these red and white sparkles. First hand is done. I think it looks really creative. Yeah, so it's just sparkles and it's really cute. The colors are kind of different on camera, but yeah, it looks a little bit pink, but it's not. But anyways, hand one is done. Now we're gonna move on to hand number two. Are done, as you guys can see, and I think they look really good. So anyways, my get ready with me is finished. So now on to the vlog of all the things that we are going to be doing to celebrate Canada Day.